Welcome, today we're going to show you how to transfer money from NexusPay to bKash. First thing that you need to do is to open the NexusPay app. After that you need to log in using your phone number and your password. Also, if you didn't have an account you can register. So after you have logged in, you will see the main menu. After that you need to click send money button. So you will send money or request money option. You need to click on send money option. So from here you need to click on other account. After that you need to choose the account type from here. So you need to click a Bitcoin or something wallet. After that you need to enter the account number from here. Also, if there is an option for bKash, you can just choose the bKash option, and after that you need to enter the account number from here. Then you need to enter the amount of money that you want to transfer, enter the right amount, and enter your NexusPay PIN. Then you need to click on send money and confirm the payment. After the payment is done, you need to confirm that the money have reached through the bKash network. So if you didn't get the money right away, no problem, you need to wait for a couple of minutes or sometimes for a couple of hours until the payment reaches your account. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.